Good morning. Here is the good news. No one is ever too young, too weak, or too insignificant to work for the King of Kings. Take the story of Gideon, for example. Gideon was the youngest member of the smallest family in the least significant and least important tribe of the whole of Israel. Hello, I'm Gideon, actually. But God chose Gideon to defeat the terrifying army, the Midianites.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
But have you seen those Midianites? Well, I suppose being an angel you have. But I mean, those fellas are big. And when I say they're big, I mean those fellas are strong. And to be honest with you, I'm not even a 7-stone weakling. I'm only a 6.5-stone weakling. And apart from all that, today is Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah. Tuesday is my day off.
Gideon, get up at once.
Yes, sir.
Gideon, when I tell you that I want you to go and fight the Midianites and blast them into smithereens,
Right,
I mean
me.
you, right?
Just one more question.
One more question.
What about if I have measles?
Gideon, you do not have measles.
But I really wish I did have measles.
Gideon, even if you did have the measles, you would still have to go and fight the Midianites.
Right, just one more question.
One more question.
How do I know that this isn't all some kind of joke? You know, let's all have a bit of a laugh. Let's send that skinny, weedy, weak Gideon out and watch him get hacked to bits by those nasty, mean Midianites. I mean, don't get me wrong, I would be the first to make a complete and utter fool of someone like me. Only, if I'm going to go and fight the Midianites, then I'm going to need a bit of proof, right? So, let's say I lay this fleece, this sheepskin out on the grass, and then in the morning when I wake up, there's dew on the sheepskin, but the grass is dry. That would be a miracle, right?
Right.
So that would be proof, right?
Right.
Right.
So Gideon laid out the sheepskin and went to bed.
Nice snuggly. Please be dry. Please be dry. Look, if somebody like me is going to have to fight the Midianites, he's going to have to be doubly sure that the Lord is on his side. So let's say we try it the other way around. This time we'll have dew on the grass is wet, and the sheepskin's dry, and it's the deal. Done. Right.
So Gideon went back to bed.
Nice snuggly. Wet, which means I've got to go and fight the Midianites.
So Gideon had to go and fight the Midianites.
Right, I'm getting a bodyguard of 50,000 men. By the left, 2, 3, left, right, left, right.
Gideon,
Squad, halt!
Gideon, who are they?
Who?
Those soldiers.
Those soldiers, just a few school friends come to help her chum?
Gideon, no school has that many pupils, and the Lord doesn't need that many soldiers to fight. He finds that an insult to his power. Get rid of them.
Right, you can go.
Just keep a few.
Oh, right, okay. You can stay and you can all go.
Well, it's a very long story, but the Lord proved his point. Gideon, the youngest member of the smallest family in the least important and least significant tribe of the whole of Israel, with just a handful of men, utterly defeated the Midianites. Pow!
I don't know my own strength. Well, what I mean is the Lord's strength.
And rescued Israel. Long live Gideon!
Oh, it was nothing really. Well, I mean, it was really quite something, I suppose, that God should choose someone like me to, defeat the Midianites.
So that's the good news. The younger you are, the weaker you are, the smaller you are, the more insignificant you feel. So the God of all creation wants to take your life and make it dynamite.